is a 19-piece screwdriver set from Donau Elektronik. The mini bit set comes in a compact plastic cartridge and is ideal for small and hidden screws. The set includes a metal screwdriver handle with 4mm hex socket, three slotted bits, 3 Phillips bits, 6 hex bits, 2 PoziDriv bits, and 4 Torx bits. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.